When disaster strikes, AI responds before your team wakes up. Traditional disaster recovery is slow, manual, and error-prone. When disaster strikes, humans make decisions. Manually restore systems, hope nothing breaks. Recovery time measured in hours or days. AI is automating the recovery playbook. AI can predict failures before they happen, analyze what to recover first, and orchestrate recovery automatically. Agentic AI evaluates recovery outcomes in real time and adjusts strategy if something goes wrong. Organizations using AI-powered DR are seeing dramatic improvements. Recovery time, hours to minutes. Automated failover, 30 seconds versus manual 4+ hours. Accuracy, 99.9% versus manual 85 to 90%. Teams focused on strategy, not execution. AI-powered disaster recovery has 3 layers. Predictive, ML analyzes your infrastructure patterns, predicts failures before they happen. Automated, recovery runbooks execute without human intervention. Adaptive, agentic AI adjusts strategy in real time if recovery doesn't go as planned. It's not replacing humans. It's making them faster and more effective. Ask your DR team this question. Are we ready for the next disaster, or are we still playing defense? AI-powered recovery changes the game. Contact us today.